In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Uggs on Hacoo. So, what you want to do is first open up Hacoo and then go to the very top where there's the search box and you want to type in Ugg or Uggs. So, there we go, just like I did right now, or maybe Ugg or maybe Ugg boots or something like that. And then you want to click on search. And if it says no results found, which usually happens, this means one of two things. Either they are not in stock right now, and because these things go very fast on Hacoo, you should be checking pretty much all the time to be able to find them. So that's the first thing, that may be the first reason. Or the second reason, which you can also try, is by changing your country, because they may not be available at all at your current region. And the way you can do this is go bottom right, where you can see your profile, and then up top, you want to click those three lines. And by the way, make sure you are logged in. If you're not signed in, there's no way you will be able to see UGG brand and the other brands. So just go to those three lines and then go to region. And for me right now, it's US, but you can try and change it to something else. Okay, there's a bunch of regions. Just try and change it and see if at your region you'll be able to get Uggs and find them inside your search box. So that's pretty much it. Those are all the tips I have for you. If you still can't find them, unfortunately, then the reason for that may be they're simply not available on the app right now. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.